Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, going to the bakery. Yeah. Happy Sunday, everybody. Yeah, going to the bakery. Yeah. Oh, it was raining here. Yeah. It was raining. Yeah. We're going to the bakery. It's early morning here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Let me see. Nobody. Yeah, we can go. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Happy Sunday, everybody. Oh, my gordel. Yeah. Yeah. It's cold. Yeah. A little bit cold here. 9 degrees. We get 9 degrees. Yeah. I need to have a jacket, I know. Yeah. Need to have a jacket. But that's okay. Going to the bakery. Well, one bakery is not open. Hi. What's happening? Yeah. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Not a lot of people on the road. No. Oh, this one is open. Yeah, it's open. Yeah. From the bakery. Yeah. Voila. We can go. That's the bakery there. That's the bakery. Yeah. A lot of people waiting a little bit. Thank you for watching it. Thank you. Yeah, back to the bakery. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. I get my bread for 1 week. It's okay. Yeah, for 1 week, yeah. That's good. I'm gonna put it in my freezer. Yeah. Going back home again. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. What's the time now? 6:30. Someone to take the road. He don't watch it. Up over the road. He don't watch anymore. You know, oh my God, crazy people. Yeah. Hope everybody got a good day. Yeah. Thank you. Give me thumbs up. Thank you very much. Yeah. For walking is a little bit far. Yeah. Just do when it's raining. Oh yeah. Don't like it when it's raining. No. Voilà. You can go. Yeah. I'm filming with my GoPro. Yeah. Filming with my GoPro. Yeah. Going in my private road. Yeah. Almost back home, That's my private road here. Yeah. Voilà. Yeah, back home again. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a bad day. Appreciation that. Thank you very much. Bye bye.